Hi, this is Melissa with acpro.com, bringing you a useful tip on our AC Pro mini split remote functions. Starting with the on-off button, we know that this will turn your unit on or off, and the arrows will adjust the temperature set points. Let's review the other functions on the remote. Next, we have the mode button, which will change the operation of the unit to several modes, including cool and heat. First mode we get when we select the mode button is auto mode. Auto mode is great for when the space will be unoccupied at the time. With this setting, the unit will run to the factory settings of a cooling set point of 77 and a heating set point of 68, meaning the room will remain relatively comfortable while unoccupied. Next, we have cool mode. Cool mode is used to cool the room to the set point of your desire. Once in cooling mode, use the arrows to adjust the temperature set point. Then we have dry mode. Dry mode dehumidifies the space without lowering the temperature. When in dry mode, you will not be able to adjust the fan settings, as the default fan settings for dry mode is low. Our next mode option is fan mode. Fan mode is used to simply run the fan without cooling or heating the space. And our final option is heat mode. Heat mode is used to heat the room to the set point of your desire. Again, use the arrows to adjust the temperature set point. Let's explore the next button. The fan button. This differs from fan mode in that this will increase or decrease the speed of the fan while in cool, heat, or fan mode. The swing button will change the direction of the louvers on the unit, whether they swing up or down, or left or right. The turbo button is used if you want to quickly cool or heat the space to the desired temperature. Turbo will work in cool, heat mode only. The sleep button is used when you plan on going to sleep. This increases the temperature every hour from the time you press the sleep button. Since your body naturally gets cooler as you sleep, it's meant to conserve energy. The sleep function does not work when in auto or fan mode. The temp button is used to set the location of the temperature sensor, whether that be using the indoor temperature sensor or the outdoor temperature sensor. The clock button is used to set the time. Use the arrows to adjust the time. The light button is useful in bedrooms and will turn the light on the display of the remote. The timer on and timer off button are used to set the time the unit automatically turns on or off. Ensure the clock is set correctly first, then use the arrow buttons to adjust the time on the timers. The health button, which is a little tree insignia, is not equipped on all units, but if you have this button, it is used to activate the air ionizer on your unit. The scavenging button, which looks like a house insignia and is sometimes combined with the health button, is not equipped on all units. If you have this button, it is used to allow the indoor unit to extract air from the room. The Wi-Fi button is for our units that are Wi-Fi capable. This button will work with the Wi-Fi app. For more information on the Wi-Fi app, please view our video at acpro.com. The X-Fan button, also known as Auto Clean, will run the indoor unit's fan after cooling mode or dry mode for 10 minutes to dry off the coil and help inhibit the growth of bacteria and mildew. X-Fan is not available in auto, fan, or heat mode. The iFill button, or in some cases, this is a function setting that can be set by pushing two buttons simultaneously. This varies by remote, so please refer to your user manual on which buttons activate the iFill function if you do not have an iFill button. iFill is used to set the remote as the temperature sensor for the unit, meaning whatever temperature the remote senses, the unit will cool or heat the space accordingly. Most remotes have a child lock function. This is a function setting that can be set by pushing two buttons simultaneously. This varies by remote, so please refer to your user manual on which buttons activate the child lock function. This function locks the keys on the remote to prevent accidental tampering. This should cover most of the functions and buttons found on our AC Pro mini split remotes and should help homeowners get the most out of their new unit. Thanks for watching, and check out more great tips on acpro.com.